What is going on, everybody? This is Ryan Sisterson here, and I have the awesome responsibility of leading our service and repair department here at Microcenter. And today we are in our brand new Charlotte location, and it is absolutely incredible. And today we're gonna do a couple things. So first and foremost, I wanna show you the new layout of our service and repair centers because it is absolutely exciting. And then I also wanna talk about a couple of things that differentiate us from everyone else out there. We've got a lot of things to look at today, so let's get after it right now. So here we are at what I consider the heartbeat of the store, and that is our BYO department. Whether you're a seasoned builder or this is the first time you've ever even thought of building a PC, if you come here, we got the best and the brightest in the biz. They're gonna help you make sure you get the right parts, the right compatibility, so you have the PC of your dreams. Everything starts with the ladies and gentlemen behind me, and then it ends up at our service center on the other side of the store. We can't wait to help you get that perfect PC for whatever you need. So once you've picked out all your parts and pieces for your dream PC, then you have the opportunity to have one of our expert technicians make that dream a reality. So one of my favorite things about all of our new stores is this build experience center. During all hours of operations, we have our expert technicians up here doing builds in real time, and it is a ton of fun to watch. Have you never done a build before and you want to learn more? We have an awesome build experience service where you can build right alongside our technicians and learn everything you'd ever want to know. So while we love making custom PC dreams come true, here at Microcenter Service and Repair, we're about so much more than just that. You can bring in anything, whether it's a Mac, a desktop, a PC, and our expert technicians are gonna look at it with a free 15-minute consultation. Sometimes we can solve that issue right here at the counter, but if it does require a more extensive diagnostic, most of them are completed the same day, and we do them right in front of everybody here out in the open. No hiding behind the wall and doing the work in the back. We love the transparency, and we love the opportunity to work on whatever's ailing you. So once we get past the diagnostic process, if you need a power supply swapped, if you need a screen repair, if you need anything under the sun, this is where all the magic happens here in the back. Additionally, those higher tier builds, those tier 4 soft tubing, the tier 5 hard tubing, all of that happens here as well. And I will say this, there are more services that we offer than I could possibly mention in one video. So don't hesitate to go to microcenter.com or just come on in. As I said, we offer 15 minutes free consultations at the counter, so we'll make sure to talk you through any and all repair options that you could possibly need. So we've talked about same-day diagnostics, but let's be honest, Microcenter is pretty much a candy land of PC parts. So while other people have to order the parts or ship a device out to a depot repair model, we can just pick any GPU, motherboard, CPU, RAM, you name it, we can pull it straight off the floor and get you and your device up and running in record time. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour our Knowledge Bar of the Future here at our brand new Charlotte location and hearing a little bit about what separates Microcenter from everybody else out there. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you enjoyed the content, and spoiler alert, we got big growth ahead of us, so we might be coming to a city near you. I hope you have an epic one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.